This 2020 Heartland Cyclone M-4005 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 11, oven, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, water heater, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, awning, slide out, leveling jacks, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Heartland Cyclone M-4005 is 16,730 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.